players click on each other with a certain range. Push each other like the game Crab Game from Steam. How would I go about creating that script as well as having a cooldown on how many times and push within a certain time limit? Howdy, Lucas. Right now, I'm trying to make. So obviously, I don't know if you're here for last night's stream or not, but I was making a survival game, and right now we have the rock that chases you. We have a flood, which I'm gonna work on the flood and make that terrain water. We have zombie, like a zombie apocalypse kind of thing, and there's one more, I believe. Zombie, tsunami, the rock, and flood. Oh, we were working on a meteor shower last night. Couldn't get it to work, so I'm gonna try to get that to work today. So once I get all that done, or sorry, before I get all that done, I want to add a script to where other players can push each other like the game Crab Game. Because I'm trying to make this a multiplayer party game. So I'm using Chat AI right now to see if it can properly script. Because if it can, that's going to be huge for this. Thank you. Create a script for pushing line insert a script into script service. Server script service. Alright. Script service, insert object, script.
It's everything you wish for. Your site traffic is skyrocketing.
1 second, we gotta add, boys. Remember to replace your push tool name with the actual name of your push tool. Okay, we'll replace that with push tool. I think I was, what, first grade? So, 13, 12 years? Something along those lines. So now we gotta go test. Let me make sure everything's anchored beforehand. Okay, everything is anchored. Then we can just start a 2-player server. Check it out. Ooh, those are close. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn down the jump height and then lower the gravity a bit more as well. I don't know why the second person didn't load up. 2 players, we'll try again. I'm assuming you're a game developer too, right, Lucas? Oh, hey, Toxif. Have you not went to bed from last stream? Oh, of course, I would like to enter the game development field. Be very careful on who you employ and the people that you learn from. Please, I'm begging you. Like God zombies right now. Finish my computer course. Oh, nope. Okay. Well, if you hadn't been to sleep yet, you ain't gonna go to sleep for another minute, right? I'm gonna need somebody to test this out with me to make sure this works properly. So let's see. We can. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Or not this. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Might as well. Alright, cool. The link is in the description if y'all can help me. Did you try to add new disasters? I just started streaming 8 minutes ago. I haven't even got the chance to. I want to work on the meteor, but before I do the meteor, I want to get in a push script where we can push each other while we're playing. But then I also want to have like a debounce kind of thing going on where it's not too often. So we'll have to see how this turns out. Oh, okay. Shoot. I wonder if I can add a dummy and see if that works. Yeah, you can join, Lucas. Tell me if you can join or not. I don't think that was supposed to go in starter player. I don't think they told us in starter player scripts. Let me recheck this real quick before. Create a tool for pushing. Insert a tool into starter player. Enter the tool in the following. Did it mean starter pack? Did I remove the rock? Which rock? Oh, no, I didn't remove the rock. Oh, right on. Okay. Thank you. You heading out, Toxic? Oh, good night.
External connection.
Oh, what's the bug, Lucas?
Yo, what's up, guys? This is Robbie J. That's just long. And then, Vector. Link.
Second side, one rock. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to work on that. I think what I'm gonna do is at the start of every map is have all parts can collide that are in the map when they show in, and then it's gonna teleport you back at the spawn thing, and then it's gonna drop everybody down. The pushing logic on push function and tweak device according to your game's requirements. Altogether, adding more error, checking and refining the code based on your game's specific needs. Disastrous flood? Yeah. So with each disaster, I only have one map. See if I can ask around about if someone else can make the script for me. I want to remake this. What would be a modernized version of this? This is bothering me how bad this looks. We could do like this is a glass box in the middle. And then we have parts around it. How wide is this? 24? So we need 24 twice again. 48 plus 24, is that 72? Yep. Do something like this. Maybe push it back like 3 studs. 6 studs. 6 studs looks better. Howdy's already. I'm good, how are you? Okay, good. Love to see nobody's doing good. Right now, I'm remaking the lobby because the lobby was starting to bother me because it didn't look as modernized as the rest of the game. So now what we can do is we can just go insert, spawn. I'll make these purple just so I can see them better. These are going to be transparent in a minute, but I just want to do that for visibility purposes. What's the exact middle? Is this 9 by 9? 12 by 12. I think you can just jump the player's jump height. It seems a bit high. Yeah, I was going to adjust that as well. Make some mistakes. I'm not English, I'm French. It's okay, Zerdy. Don't even worry about it. Is that 1 or 2 off? Well. So then we gotta make it can collide so the players can't notice it like a little hump when they're walking around. Let me grab this color. Howdy, OG. Showcase your projects. Yes, let me put the link for it in the description of this as well. I know I'm gonna end up making. I'm most likely end up making this free at some point. How do I invite a server? I forget how this works. Invite people. Link. Okay, cool. There you go, boys. I know you've been first on my videos. I wasn't expecting it. Like I posted one. I went to go do the tags, and you'd already commented. It was like clockwork. It was crazy quick. When I upload a video, I just wait to see how long it takes you to comment. Being completely honest. You are too fast. I genuinely do not expect anybody to beat you on that. Hey, howdy, Rebirth. Rebirth, were you on? Yeah, you came on the last stream. I don't remember if you came through or not. Thank you. Right now, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get somebody else to script it, but we won't want to mention that in the video. Get somebody else to script the push system. I'll just say I did it with AI. Been doing Roblox Studio, I think 13 or 14 years, maybe 12, somewhere in there. It's somewhere between 12 and 14. Oh, it will be 14 years this year, so it's been 13. Like sometime in October it'll be 14. How do you organize code in Roblox Studio? Do you have a repository on GitHub, or do you just organize it locally? I normally don't do the code at all. This is the first time I've done the code, and I'm completely toolboxing it. Not even gonna sugarcoat it. This is 0.8. Okay, this is 0.8. So now I just add a little couple particle effects in here to make everything look all relaxing. Yeah, this should help a little bit. There we go. Language using this engine, Lua. Lua is apparently the easiest, but coding is coding. It's still hard, as far as my understanding goes. Python might be easier, but that's as far as my knowledge goes, is that Lua is the simplest code. Yeah, it's not easier doing that. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is whenever the disaster, quote unquote, I think I'm gonna change this name to like something to do with events, but for now it's disasters. I think what I'm gonna do is every time a disaster starts, I'm gonna teleport all players to a certain location. So I guess we'll just make the location just under this. So we can make it whatever the position of this is, and we'll just paste position onto this. So let me grab this, put it in lighting, Control C, flood the rock, tsunami, zombies. Paste into selected. Was there anything I need from this? No, delete that. See how this works. I know to help with programming. I've never programmed in Lua, but I could try. Knowledge and if you can, please do. I think this punch tool is gonna work for moving people out the way. If it doesn't, then is it on that part? Okay, cool. So that does work. Let me see if this punch tool works. Punch tool doesn't work. Okay. I need to get rid of this force field too, or at least change the particles around it. Hey, for anybody that didn't see, oh, I don't even looking at comments right now, but for anybody that didn't see, that's a thing. And this side just chases whoever it's closest to. I need to make it can collide, so it doesn't run into things. Let me go through the disasters real quick and make sure this part isn't in them. Well, it's not there. It's not here in this one. It's here in this one. It's here in this one. Here in this one. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to open this again. What type of script you need? I would need a Lua script, but I think I'm good now. I have someone scripting it for me. What was I doing again? Oh, I was gonna take all this and turn shadows off. That's what I was doing. Let's okay. Good now. I think now I'm gonna go right here and just put like a little small texture over this. Okay. shroom ore. Hopefully those videos are popping off by now. Should be around the time, like the next like 6 hours that those start taking off a little bit. Isn't there a glass texture somewhere in here? Oh, that looks bad. I don't know if the firewall video is gonna take off or not. The stats on it are pretty bad. That'll work. Let me get rid of the bottom texture on those. I think I'm gonna get rid of the ragdoll script too and make it where people explode into a particle effect. So let me go find the ragdoll script. What is it called? Animate, you can see arms, FPS arms. Let's take out the game without realizing. Explosion effect. Explode character. Death effect. Alright boys, time to watch a tutorial video. I'll make a living being a developer. You have to have a side. You have to go off of Talent Hub if you want to do it. Or you have to have an extremely successful game. Oh yeah, I can just look up Death Effect. What's Murder Mystery 2's Death Effect? Starter character scripts. That one's very helpful. Scripter or builder. Or twice. Builder. For sure a builder. Oh yeah, I need to change the high jump too. I think we'll make it 65. And we'll go down here. Make it like 5. Default is 7.2, I believe. It's a little bit weighted. Okay, I like that. Gotta get rid of this effect too. It's bothering me. Let's see if this works. These anchored? Oh, that's what's wrong. Is that way too bright? Yeah, gonna have to work on that. I think the animation started off. Let me make a custom animation real quick. Oh, sorry boys. Super disaster travel, yes sir. Animation spoofer. I wonder if that's what it is. So what, we can just go like 1 frame forward, so it has time to adjust. That's way too far. Let me see if this works real quick. Can see arms.